The brightest object in the night sky is the Roman goddess of love, evening and morning star, Venus. As little as half a century ago, Venus was thought to be a twin of Earth. Being nearly equal in size, scientists wondered if it might be much like Earth, only warmer, perhaps even tropical. 1989. The Magellan spacecraft departs Earth. Venus is covered with an extremely dense, cloudy atmosphere. No human eye has ever seen the surface. Magellan carried with it equipment to see through the clouds and map the planet. Here are some actual time-lapse pictures of the cloud layer, which rotates around the planet every 6 days. Venus itself takes 243 Earth days to make a single rotation. Magellan fires its braking thrusters and enters into orbit around Venus. Using newly developed synthetic aperture radar, Magellan sent back mapping data, which high-speed computers have turned into a synthetic flyover. Our flight begins with a view of Sif Mons, a volcano 1.2 miles high. We fly over a rift valley, several craters created by meteorite impacts. Gula Mons, another volcano, this one nearly 2 miles high. Our final view is of the northeastern side of the Isla Reggio Highlands. In 1978, Pioneer Venus visited with less sophisticated radar aboard. Pioneer Venus also carried instrument-laden probes to examine the Venusian atmosphere. The mothership releases sounders which will penetrate the atmosphere and then parachute to slow the landing speed. The atmosphere quickly becomes like a steamy soup. Droplets of sulfuric acid eat at the probe's skin. As the probe lands, it is being crushed by atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth. The atmosphere also creates colorful auras and rippling landscape effects. With a surface temperature of 900 degrees, Venus is the ultimate runaway greenhouse. This could have been the fate of the Earth had we been located a little closer to the Sun. Pioneer Venus discovered holes in the cloud cover near the poles. This time-lapse photography shows the changing shape and location of the holes, which are never visible from Earth. Ishtar Terra has an elevation equal to the Tibetan Plateau, but covers more area than the US. We have good reason to believe that Venus is covered with active volcanoes that help to spew lava and various corrosive chemicals into the atmosphere. On Venus, it rains sulfuric acid, which quickly turns to steam, a deadly inferno straight out of Dante. The Soviet probe Venera 9 actually survived long enough on the surface to take these pictures. Even as Magellan completes its highly successful mission, future probes are planned. In Venus, we have an example of a planet where something went wrong. Could the same thing happen to our home world? The answers lie out there, sunward of Earth, on the planet we once called the morning star.